Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. Alright you guys, so summer is almost over and I figured I would do a look that kind of transitions into fall, not jumping right into a fall makeup look. So I feel like the mauves are really nice to slowly transition into fall. So I'm going to be using the Revolution Pro palette. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I really like this palette. It's really pretty. I did a first impressions on this like maybe sometime last year or maybe in the beginning of the year. I can't even remember. But this palette is really pretty. As you can see, it has a lot of mauves in here, has some glitter. It's really pretty. So we're going to do that today. And I'm going to start off with the eyes, obviously. So as you can see, I have my brows already filled in. My eyes are prepped and ready. And I'm going to go in with the Morphe and Jeffree Star JS5 brush. I've really been enjoying these brushes, you guys. So you're going to see me use them a lot going forward now that I own them. And you guys hopefully saw my first impressions on these brushes, so you guys know I really did enjoy them. So I'm going to be using that brush, and I'm going to be using this shade called Karma. This is the shade I'm going in with first, and I'm just going to apply this shade right here in the creased area. Alright, so real quick I want to let you know what I did was I did apply it right here, a little bit on the outer V and then in the crease, of course, and then also brought it right into the inner corner where I started lightly blending it in and then going right back to the outer V. So I'm going to slowly build this up, and I feel like I want to do like a really nice glam. So I'm just going to do the other eye now. Alright, so now I'm going to be switching brushes. This is JS6, and I'm going to be grabbing this shade here. This one is called Zoned. I'm just going to deepen that up. So I'm just going to be applying that right on top of the first shade. And like I said, I'm just going to deepen it up. And this is really a nice brush because, as I mentioned in my prior video, it blends as you apply it. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be going in with the MAC 242. I'm also going to be spraying the brush just a little bit. And then I'm going to be going in with this shade from the palette. It is called Glitz, which is this one right here. And this one I'm actually going to put on the lid right here on the center. So grabbing this right here, this shade, I'm just going to apply that right here on the center. So basically like a little halo effect. Alright, so now I'm going to be grabbing the JS6 brush once again. No additional product, I'm just using whatever's left on the brush. And I'm just going to blend out the edges right here on the outer V, right here on the inner corner, and also going right into the crease just like that. And then the same thing on this side. So I'm just blending the shade that's in the center with the ones on the inner corner and right here on the outer V and the crease, so it looks nice, soft, and blended. I am going to be using eyeliner in today's makeup look. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Easy Glide Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This is in black. But if you want to go in with a brown, I have the one from ColourPop. It is the BFF one, liquid eyeliner. And you can also go in with an eyeshadow using maybe like a darker shade, maybe like this one again, and just creating like a wing liner with, you know, some drops of, what is this called? The Inglot drops. And create your own, like I said. Or if you want to add a little glitter and get a little extra, you can do that too. But I'm just going to go on with this really quick. Alright guys, so I'm back. I finished applying my lashes. I did go in with the Eylure Luxe Extra Large Faux Mink Lashes. This is what the box looks like just in case. And you guys have seen these before. I absolutely love these. They're so beautiful. Like, they're so easy to apply to. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is I am going to apply a little bit of face primer. So I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of that right here in the pores area, of course, and my T-zone. Right here, on the chin, and on the forehead. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of this right here. This is a little mini Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. And I'm going to add it right on the nose area because I exfoliated and I am like a little severely dry on the side around the nose. I'm also going to be going in with this NYX Multitasking Spray to prime my face. Alright, so now that that is done, I'm going to go in with some foundation. So let me put my hair back a little bit so we get that out of the way. And alright, so for foundation today, I'm going to be going in with the Zoeva foundation. This is a Authentic Skin Natural Luminous Foundation. So I'm going to shake it up because it's been sitting there. So I'm shaking it up, and I actually have this in the shade 190N Generous. So I'm going to apply just a little bit on this side, and I don't know if that was too much. I haven't used this in a while, but I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics brush here to apply it. Alright, so moving on to concealer, I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty, and this one is in the shade 280. To blend it out, I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. sponge. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and cream bronze my face. I'm going to be going in with the Cream Fenty Beauty, and this one's in the shade Macchiato. So I'm going to be grabbing a Sigma angled kabuki brush, and going in with the angled brush, I'm just going to apply it right here. Now to contour my nose, I'm going to be grabbing this brush right here from BH Cosmetics and the cream bronzer, and just applying that right on the sides of the nose. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. sponge to blend it out, and I'm also going to be using that to just soften up and blend in the cream bronzer and get rid of those harsh edges. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and set my under eye. I'm going to be grabbing my RCMA powder and the BH number 4 brush and just setting underneath my eye. To bronze up my face, I'm going to be grabbing the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this one is in the shade Bronzer. Yeah, there's no number or anything, it's just called Bronzer. And grabbing the BH number 3 brush that's angled like this, and just setting the outer perimeter. I'm going to be going back in with the RCMA powder and my sponge, and I'm just going to clean up the bronzer a little bit. Alright, so now I'm just going to grab this large powder brush. This is from BH Cosmetics. It's the number 1 brush. And I'm just going to blend that out. For blush, I feel like this one is perfect because it has those mauve shades right there. So I'm going to be going in with this one. This is the Maybelline Master Blush. And I'm going to be grabbing this shade, the third one right here, and even the second one. So mixing those two together with my Real Techniques blush brush. Alright, so now I'm going to be jumping right back into the eyes, and I'm grabbing the JS6, and I'm going to grab the shade Karma, which is this one here. Again, it's the first shade I used, and just applying that on the lower lash line. Now I'm just going to be grabbing this eyeliner from ColourPop. Everything rubbed off. I know this is definitely from ColourPop, but I'm going to apply, it's like a little burgundy shade, so I'm just going to use this and apply that on the waterline. Now I'm going to go in with some mascara and apply that on the lower lashes. For highlight, I'm going to be going back into the Maybelline Master Blush palette, and this is the highlight I'm going to be using from the palette right here, and just apply that right here on top on the high points, and it goes really nicely with the look. Alright, so moving on to lips, I'm going to be going in with the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Soft Spoken. For lipstick, I'm going to be using this one right here from KKW Beauty in the shade number 2 Nude. And to finish off the lips, I'm going to be topping it off with this right here. This is the Lifter Gloss from Maybelline. It has hyaluronic acid, and it's a really, really nice gloss, you guys. I love the bottle of this. It's so good. And that is it. And lastly, you guys, I'm going to set my face with the NYX Bare With Me setting spray. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I really love this look because it's a nice, for me, it's a nice transition from summer to fall. I love the mauve tones. It's not super duper pink. It's not super duper purple. It's not like bright in your face. It's subtle, but you know, still a little color in there, you know what I mean? And it's not brown, so, or orange, you know, those really warm tones. So I really feel like this eye look right here is perfect if you're slowly transitioning into fall. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Also, I gave you a little glam, so we always love some glam. So that is pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.